In this video, you will see how ChatGPT will help you to create a professional cover letter for a position you are applying for. So we have to write a professional cover letter for a, let us say, Linux admin position in a company. Called, let us say, Facebook. OK. Now, this is sufficient for ChatGPT to write a professional cover letter, but it will need some more information from you. Like your name and what you know about this particular job. OK, so my name is Adam Smith. OK. And I know all the basics required for the job. OK, hit enter and let's wait. So, you can always edit this information. OK? Now you can see in the very first paragraph it is actually writing your introduction and you are interested for this position. OK. So in the first para it is covering all the basic introduction information. And then in this second and let us say third it is describing your capabilities, OK. And your prior experience if you have any. And in the last paragraph it is saying OK, in the last, second, last or the third last paragraph it is saying that. It is actually answering to the basic questions that what your capabilities can bring the company. OK. What kind of things or how you can help the company. OK. On your personal level and in the last paragraph, it is saying that you are open to discuss about your further qualifications or further skills you have. Right. So you are open for the interview and you can show your skills or prove your knowledge if you have given a chance in the interview. OK, so this is a professional cover letter for a Linux admin position in a company. OK, so this way you can use ChatGPT to generate a professional cover letter for yourself.